Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best portable clothes dryers in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is DryGuy Solutions to all your wet and damp, sweaty shoes. The DryGuy Solutions to all your wet and damp, sweaty shoes bundle is the perfect solution to keep your feet dry and comfortable no matter the weather. The Force Dry DX Plus Travel Boot Warmer is a powerful and fast-acting dryer that quickly and effectively dries and deodorizes wet shoes, boots, and gloves. It features a powerful 120 VAC fan-driven air circulation system that draws moisture out of your footwear and distributes it into the air, so your feet stay dry and comfortable. The Travel Boot Warmer helps keep your feet warm and toasty in cold weather. It features a durable, lightweight construction that is perfect for travel, and it is designed to provide even heat distribution for maximum comfort. This bundle is the perfect solution for those who want to keep their feet dry and warm all year round. Pros: keeps shoes dry and warm. Travel-friendly. Easy to use. Time-saving. Cost-effective. Cons: not suitable for all shoe types. Not suitable for extreme weather conditions. Not suitable for extreme sweat levels. Number 2. Our second best pick is Homz 424-0006 Sweater, Delicates, Swimsuit Hanging Dryer. This Homz 424-0006 10 lb capacity hanging dryer is the perfect solution for those who are looking for a convenient way to dry their delicate items. With 3 tiers of drying surface, it can accommodate up to 10 pounds of items such as sweaters, delicates, swimsuits, and more. The lightweight yet durable construction makes it easy to store and transport. The adjustable height makes it suitable for all ceiling heights. Plus, the heavy-duty aluminum frame ensures maximum stability during use. The included hook and loop straps make it easy to hang from any standard-sized door. Enjoy the convenience of drying your items in the comfort of your own home with this all-in-one hanging dryer. Pros: can dry multiple items at once, including delicates, sweaters, and swimsuits. 10 pounds drying capacity makes it suitable for drying large items. A 3-tier drying surface allows for more efficient drying. Cons: may not be large enough for drying bedding or bulky items. Not suitable for drying items that require a low temperature setting. Number 3. Our third best pick is Household Essentials 17125-1 Portable Umbrella Drying Rack. Keep your laundry clean and dry with the Household Essentials 17125-1 Portable Umbrella Drying Rack. This lightweight aluminum drying rack is designed to fit anywhere, with its compact design and easy-to-open umbrella shape. It stands over 5 feet tall and features 18 lines with 64 feet of drying space for all your clothes and linens. The heavy-duty construction and adjustable height make it perfect for outdoor use, and its rust-proof aluminum frame means it will last for years. It's also easy to move and store, as the folding design and wheels make it easy to transport. With its durable and efficient design, the Household Essentials 17125-1 Portable Umbrella Drying Rack is a great addition to any laundry room. Pros: portable and lightweight. Aluminum construction is sturdy and rust-resistant. 18-line design gives plenty of drying space with 64 feet of clothesline. Easily folds up for storage. Can be used indoors and outdoors. Cons: does not come with mounting hardware for permanent installation. Not suitable for heavy items such as blankets and towels. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Panda 3200 RPM Portable Spin Dryer. This Panda 3200 RPM Portable Spin Dryer is a must-have for any busy household. Its stainless steel construction is both durable and easy to clean, and its 110-volt motor allows for high-speed drying in a fraction of the time it takes for a regular dryer. With a capacity of 22 pounds, you can easily dry a large load of clothes in one go. The spin dryer features a built-in timer with adjustable drying times, allowing you to customize your drying sessions to meet your needs. The dryer is also designed for quiet operation, so you don't have to worry about any loud noises or disruptions. With its portability, this spin dryer is perfect for use in apartments, dorms, and other small living spaces. Get your Panda 3200 RPM portable spin dryer today and take your laundry routine to the next level. Pros: high spinning speed of 3200 RPM. Portable and lightweight design. Made of stainless steel, making it durable and rust resistant. Can handle up to 22 pounds of laundry at a time. 110-volt power source. Cons: loud operating noise. Not suitable for large loads of laundry. Expensive compared to other spin dryers. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is the laundry alternative Ninja Portable Centrifugal Spin Dryer. This portable spin dryer from the laundry alternative is perfect for smaller scale laundry needs. The Ninja 3200 RPM Portable Centrifugal Spin Dryer features a high-tech suspension system that reduces vibration and noise while maintaining a powerful spin cycle. The ultra-fast 3200 RPM spin cycle removes excess water from laundry in a matter of minutes, making laundry day a breeze. This machine is lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around and store. The turquoise finish adds a touch of style to any laundry room. The laundry alternative Ninja 3200 RPM Portable Centrifugal Spin Dryer is the perfect choice for small spaces or busy households. Pros: high-tech suspension system ensures reliable, quiet operation. Portable and lightweight design makes it easy to transport and store. Powerful 3200 RPM spin dryer helps quickly reduce drying time. Turquoise color adds a stylish look to laundry rooms. Cons: high price tag may be prohibitive for some budgets. May not be suitable for large loads of laundry. May require more frequent emptying of the water tank. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.